Let's do this. Hi everybody, my name is Natalie and welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back if you're not. Today I'm so excited to film this video because we're cleaning out my closet and I've been waiting to do this for the longest time. I literally just checked and the last time I filmed a closet clean out was 9 months ago. If you've been following my channel for at least like a month, you would know that I posted a lot of hauls recently, so there's just so many new clothes, there's very little space to put away my stuff, so I just really want to get in there, organize everything, and then I think, well, whatever, let's just jump into it, okay? Alrighty guys, so this is my closet. This is it. However, a disclaimer, I share this closet with my older sister. This is basically her part. However, she doesn't live here anymore. She studies in the Netherlands and I actually went to visit her, so if you want to see the vlog, this is the link for it. So her side of the closet got kind of taken over by my clothes as well. But yeah, the majority of the clothes here is still hers, so it's not like the whole thing is mine. Also, I have to say that my closet is pretty clean right now, which I'm really proud of. But that's just because I came back from holidays and when I was unpacking, I just kind of decided to clean this whole thing. So I wouldn't say that the organization is like the main problem here. I would just say that there's like a lot of stuff that I don't wear and that I just need to get out because, yeah. Starting off strong, we're gonna be starting with my dresses. This is the first thing actually, and I think I will have to try this on because I actually found this in my mom's closet and it's kind of big on me, so yeah, we'll see. Then I have this dress. Again, it doesn't really fit me right, so I'm gonna try it on. See, I love all of my slip dresses, but like some of them have like really, you know, memorable prints, and I feel like once I wear them, everybody will just like remember that I wore it and then I just never wear it, which is like the worst thing, I know, but that's the truth. So I think I'm just gonna like try it on, see if I really love it, or maybe I can like put it onto my Vinted and then if somebody buys it, it's gonna have a better home, and then if not, I'll just keep it. So, okay, I remember talking about this in my last clean out. This is my favorite romper, and it's also like the only romper that I own, I think. Yeah, I just don't wear it anymore, so I think I'm just gonna try it on and see if I really still love it. Oh, and this is another dress, and I got this in a thrift swap with Sammy Chapa. If you haven't seen it, this is the link for it, and I absolutely love this. However, I just never ever wear it because it's like a little bit too much for me. This will have to be altered, so I'm gonna put it to the side. See, this is another slip dress. Like, it's so pretty, but I feel like the pattern is kind of too loud. No, I love it too much. I'm not gonna get rid of it. Okay, this is like a bodycon dress that I never wear, but is really sexy, so I'm gonna try it on. Okay, another dress that needs to be altered. Okay, I think that this is okay. I mean, you know, there's a lot of space right now, so I think we did good. Now I think I'm gonna move on to the next section, which is all my like blouses and cardigans. Again, I'm gonna pull out some pieces and then I'm just gonna bring everything to my bedroom and we're gonna try it on. I don't know about this. This is like a beautiful white shirt and it has this like embroidery things, but it just doesn't really fit me right, so I think I'm gonna try it on. This is a beautiful shirt. I just wish the back would be the front, because this is the front and this is the back. Like, doesn't this, I don't know, I'm gonna try it on. Okay, this is a shirt that I don't really wear, so I'm gonna try it on. Oh yes, I feel like this needs to have a new home because I wore this so much, but I feel like it's just not me anymore. Oh my god, okay. There's a lot of things that I need to try on. Okay, I'm gonna go try on all of this plus all of the dresses, and yeah, let's do that. This is the dress that I got in the thrift swap with Sammy. I love it, don't get me wrong, but it's just like, I think it's a little bit too much for me. Yeah, I think this dress needs to find a new home, so yeah. Okay, this is super pretty. I literally had it for like, I don't know, 5 years, and this served me well, and I don't know, like I love it, but I feel like it needs a new home. This is one of the slip dresses that I have. I'm not really the fan of like the high neckline. I would like it to be a little bit like looser. So, you know, I'm gonna put it on my Vinted, see if anybody would want to have it, and if not, I'm just gonna keep it. This dress I actually found in a thrift store, and it was like, I don't know, it was so cheap. But I thought it was so beautiful because like, look how long it is. I don't know, I feel like my boobies just don't look good in it. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on my Vinted, I think. Okay, this dress was such a pain in the ass to put on, but I think it's really cool. I'm probably gonna keep this. Like, I feel like it's like a good basic to have, and I feel like it will never get lost in my closet. Also with like a blazer or like an oversized jacket, I feel like this could be chef's kiss. So yeah, anyways, this is actually from Zaful, which I actually didn't show in the Zaful haul. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. This is the link for it, just because it came late. So yeah, this is the last item of that haul, and I absolutely love how it looks. However, as you can see, it's like kind of loose around my body, and just look how good it would look if it would be tight. So I think I'm just gonna alter this because I actually really love how it looks. Okay, this dress is actually the same problem as the last one, but yeah, it's actually pretty cute and I would like to wear this summer, so I'm gonna alter this. Okay, this is the skirt that I was telling you about. I found this in my mom's closet and I was so happy because it's like one of those viral midi skirts. Like, it's so pretty, but like, this is the problem. Like, it literally, yeah. You know what? Let's try to safety pin it now. Okay, just so like you understand the principle, this is how I safety pin it. This is how it looks from the inside. Like, it's definitely not the best. This is how it looks from the back. Like, you can definitely tell that something's going on. This is actually so nice. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like, I can be a Pinterest girl now. I'm gonna wear this skirt to death this summer because it's like the biggest trend I've seen. Anyways, I'm definitely keeping this. Moving on. Moving on to the tops. This is the first one, and I really like it. However, like, I don't like how it's, you know, that like this. I would like it to fit like this. I think I'm gonna post this on my Vinted. Things, and when I say a lot, I truly mean a lot. Like, look how much there is. Alrighty, so this is all the things that I'm gonna put back, and honestly, while I'm gonna be putting the stuff back, I think I'm gonna like make it really color coordinated, because now I kind of just like put whites here, darks there, and then color in the middle. But like, yeah, I really want this to be like super aesthetic, even though that kind of makes me sound weird, but whatever. I'm gonna do this. Oh my god! I didn't move the camera, I'm stupid. But I also organized it right there, so like you can see that it's a little bit cleaner. Honestly, like, yeah, not that much, but it's better, I think, so. Alrighty, this is gonna be a little bit hard to film, but the next section is gonna be all my jumpers and sweaters and hoodies. It's gonna be difficult to film just because it's literally like all of this, like all of the top shelves basically. But anyways, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna pull out all the ones that I don't really wear that much, and we're gonna try them on. Okay, I honestly just now realized that it doesn't really make sense to be putting this out of my closet right now because it's, you know, literally the start of summer. First of all, I wouldn't have that much space to put them to because like there's so many of them, and second of all, I'm not really sure if people would purchase them right now on Vinted. So I feel like more sense makes if I just like make shelves full of the sweaters that I really wear, so that it's like easier for me to reach for them, and then just shelves full of the sweaters that I know that I'm gonna post on Vinted. But I think I'm gonna, like, you know, take them out and take the pictures of them at the end of the summer when it's gonna get a little bit chillier, and I'm not gonna try them on because that's just gonna make this so much more longer. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this and then we're gonna skip ahead to all of my tops. Okay, that was a lot, but I'm done. This is all the sweaters that I wear. I just realized that all of the sweaters that I wear are like all white slash beige, but whatever. Then here are all of my like sweaters that I wear at home. Then all my turtlenecks, my like light sweaters, my knitted dresses because I don't want to hang them because like then the knit is like loose. And then this is all the sweaters that I don't wear, so I put it into my sister's side. I know that this is gonna get messed up once she's gonna come home, but it's okay. I'm just gonna, you know, sort this out when fall comes. So this is the next shelf that we're gonna tackle, and it's basically all of my light tops. So we're gonna tackle this. Alright, so like half of it is gone. Anyways, let's move on to all my dark tops. Okay, so as you can see, both of the shelves look really, really great. So let's try everything on. I'm starting to get a little bit tired. See, this is like super pretty. However, like I don't like when crop tops are very loose on me. So I'm just gonna alter it, I think. You know what? I'm gonna try to sell it, and if nobody will buy it, it's gonna be mine. This is really cute. However, I never wear it, so vintage. It's literally the same with this one. It's so cute. It fits me well, but I never wear it. And it's vintage. Yeah, whatever. Okay, this I actually made in this video, and I love it, but I don't like that I can't wear it without a bra. Wait, I'm gonna try. Yeah, it's see-through. I cannot show it, so vintage. Okay, this is a top that is absolutely gorgeous, and I literally wore it like once. Because it's just like every single time I wear it, I feel like everybody's just staring at my boobs because they are just, they end right here and the cups right here. So it doesn't really, but it's like so freaking cute. You know what? It actually is so freaking pretty. So I'm gonna keep this. Okay, this is another one of those. I stopped wearing it because like I wore it so much like 2 years back. But honestly, I feel like I might start wearing it again because it's so pretty. I'm not getting rid of this. It's just so pretty. This is so cute. However, it again like doesn't fit my boobs. It always like rides up, and I end up having this like weird underboob. I also tried to fix it by taking in some fabric from the bag, but that just like made it really tight, but didn't help the peaking problem. So it did. This is the next top. It's very pretty. It's from Cider. I showed it in one of my hauls. I love it. However, like it's just way too loose around here. Like I think I'm just gonna try to save it by taking in some fabric from the back, which is also gonna make the opening a little bit bigger, so a little bit sexier. So yeah, this is gonna be a altar pile. Alrighty, so we're back, and now we basically tackled all of my tops and dresses. So now we're gonna move on to all of my bottoms, starting off with my skirts. There's not like a single skirt, maybe this one. But like other than that, I literally wear all of these, so I think I'm just gonna leave them be, and this is the only skirt that we're gonna try on together. But yeah, anyways, let's move on to all my pants. Okay, so this is most of my jeans, and yeah, I'm just again gonna pull out the ones that I'm not really sure about. final shelf is the one that is most overflowing. It's all my sweatpants, leggings, workout shorts. It's just like a huge mess. So yeah, I'm just gonna, you know. What the hell? Anyways, let's go try it on. Oh my goodness, I am so tired. We got rid of so many things. This is all that I got rid of. Basically, a whole couch is covered in clothes that I don't need anymore. So make sure to follow me on Vinted. This is it. And also the most important part, these are the before pictures side by side with the after pictures. I'm so happy with the results. For some reason, I get super anxious or stressed when like I have a cluttered closet. And now I know that everything in there I wear, whatever. I'm just in love with my new closet. I hope you loved the video as well. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below, because I found out that 95% of my viewers are not subscribed to me. So please make sure to subscribe. Also, if you haven't been, go check out my Instagram and my TikTok. I post outfit inspo on my Instagram and then just some silly videos on TikTok. So yeah, make sure to go follow me on there. And that is it. I'm gonna let you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!